Welcome to the No Face YouTuber channel, a channel that is dedicated to showing you step by step exactly how to create a fully functional monetized YouTube channel without ever having to show your face and without ever having to record any videos. If you want to learn more about how to do this, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below right now. And with that said, let's get right into this video. All right, guys, do not skip a minute of this video. Be sure you watch to the very end. You will learn how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face and without ever recording your own videos. I'm going to show you that step by step. I'm also going to show you channels doing this and how you can start doing this yourself. And as a huge added bonus, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your brand new channel without even being monetized on YouTube. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, I am super excited about this video. I'm going to show you a way you can start making $2,000 with simply copying and pasting photographs. Copying and pasting pictures. This is an absolutely free strategy and it is worldwide. Anybody in the world can do this. So the very first website you're going to go to is a website called Ribbet, RIBBET.com. Now don't skip ahead because there's many steps, even though it's pretty easy, but you got to follow along. Do not skip any of this video. Don't skip any of the steps. So what Ribbet is a free cloud-based software where you can do any type of editing on photos. You can use it on your Mac. You can use it on your Windows computer. It is absolutely free, guys. And here's a nice thing. Here's a big, huge bonus right here. You can actually do it from your smartphone, whether it's your iPhone or your Android device. It has the apps where you can actually do the editing on your smartphone. So all those guys that make the comments on my videos like, hey, show me how to make money with my phone, using my phone only, you gotta watch the entire video here, guys. Super pumped about this one. All right, so the very next step after you've got Ribbet, okay, remember this is a free cloud-based software. The very next step is I want you to go to Google and I want you to type in an older show or a movie that's 15, maybe 20 years old, okay? It could be like Friends, it could be like, Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, anything that was hugely popular for the last 10, 12, 15 years. I'm gonna use Friends. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in the term Friends cast, okay? And I'm gonna hit enter. And as you can see the entire cast of the show Friends. Okay, you have Jennifer Aniston, Courtney Cox, Matthew Perry, Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc, David Schwimmer, okay? I'm gonna use David Schwimmer as an example. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on this name. And remember, guys, you could do this for any type of movies, TVs that at least 10, 12, 15 years old. And I'm gonna show you exactly what you're gonna do on the very next step. So this is step number 2. You're gonna click on David Schwimmer's name, like that, and then you're gonna go to images. I'm gonna click on images. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna find a couple of images. An image when he was a little younger on the show. So let's look for that image. I mean, there's several images here when he was on the Friends show. So let's use this one right here. It looks like a youthful David Schwimmer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click and you're just gonna save as. Okay, and then you're gonna decide how you're gonna save this image. Okay, you're gonna give it a name, David Schwimmer S, and then I save it to my desktop. You're gonna hit save. And then the next thing you wanna do is you're gonna wanna find an image of David Schwimmer currently, like what he looks like right now. Okay, now look at this one right here. A little bit older, obviously this is his most current image or one of the most current ones. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. You're going to right click on that image. You're gonna save as, and then you're gonna type in David S. older or whatever, and then you're gonna save it. I usually save it to my desktop. That is gonna be the step number 2. You gotta stick with me, guys, because I have a huge bonus for you before the end of this video, so definitely stick with me. All right, so the very next step you're going to do is you're going to go back to Ribbit.com, okay? Remember, the free cloud-based software. So I want you to click on Create a Collage right there. Once you do that, it's going to do its thing. Now, once you get here, this is the automatic default collage. What I want you to click on is these two right here. The basic, under the basic here, these side-by-side collage. I'm gonna click on that, it automatically changes to that. Now we're gonna upload the photos. So we're gonna come down here. So when you click on this upload button, you're gonna go find the photos that you just saved earlier. I'm gonna click on David Schwimmer, the young one first. We're gonna click on open. And you can see it is opening in here. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna drag, you're gonna click on that photo and drag it and drop it right here. Look at that. And then you can actually move it around if you wanted to, that type of thing. I think that looks just fine, okay? We're gonna do the same thing for this second photo we did for David Schwimmer. Here's the old one, right? We're gonna click on that, we're gonna click open. It's uploading right there, as you can see. And then we're gonna drag and drop it on this one on the right-hand side here. And look at that, perfect. Now, what you're gonna do is you're going to click done right here. Now stick with me because there's a couple of other steps linked to this system. Let's go ahead and hit done. All right, when it's done, it's gonna bring you the two photos side by side. And what now, the very next step is you're gonna put some text on here. I'm gonna click on text right here. This software is amazing, by the way, guys. This Ribbit.com, really easy to use and it's free, like I said. I'm gonna click on text right here. Okay, and it's gonna ask me what font do I want. Well, there's so many fonts you could use. I could use Code Pro, I could use Impact, I could use, Chunk 5, I could do a global. Let's try global, okay? We're gonna try on global, and then we're gonna type the text right up here. So global's been selected, and I'm just gonna highlight that. I'm gonna type in then, and I'm gonna hit add. Look where it goes right here. Check this out. Then we're dropping that right around there. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to add some more text. I'm going to type that in. I'm going to type in the word now. I'm going to hit add. Now. All right. And as you can see where this is going, guys. Okay. There's then that's a little bit bigger than that font or that text. So let's go ahead and drop that down a little bit. You want it to be as even as possible. There we go, that's close enough. And we're gonna put now. All right, so the very next step after you've done this, okay, you're gonna save it to your computer, okay? And you see this save button here, you're just gonna click on that and you're gonna tell it to save the photo to your computer. Once you do that, okay, I can save it wherever I want. I'm gonna put it on my desktop. I'm gonna save that right there. All right, now it's saved. Now all you're gonna do is repeat the process for Jennifer Aniston, for Courtney Cox. You're gonna get then and now photos. Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc, James Michael Tyler, Reese Witherspoon. Anybody who is on the show, I want you to repeat the same process with the free software. And you're gonna save all of those to your computer. Once you have your collection of then and now photos for the cast members, then you just need to combine them for a video slideshow. Now, where do you go? You go to Clidio.com. This is a free cloud-based software. Everything I'm showing you in this video is completely free, guys. And like I said, anybody in the world can do this. As you can see, there's a lot of options here. All I want you to do is click on slideshow right here. All right. Now on slideshow, what you're going to do is it's going to say choose files. Well, the files you're going to choose are on your computer. Remember the collage we just made that we saved? Side by side, then and now video clips. And you're just going to place, I only did one just to show you an example, but you're going to take all 8 or 10 of them. You're going to place them side by side by side. You can see where it says add more videos right down here. Side by side until you have at least a 2 or 3 minute collage video of all the cast members in that particular movie or show. So it's super simple. So now that's all you have to do for this step. Now all we're gonna have to do is add some free copyright music. Now where do you go get that? Well, it's super easy. You go straight to YouTube Audio Library. That's all you have to do is Google that, and you're gonna see this right here. When you click on YouTube Audio Library, it's gonna take you directly to there are thousands and thousands of audio files that are free to use for anybody. They're copyright free. You can filter by genre, mood, artist, duration. But look at all the thousands of options you have in the YouTube library. And it shows you the duration of the actual songs. So let's hit one. That's kind of a cool one. It's a little upbeat. So let's say we decided we wanted to use this one, okay? It's highlighted here, and I'm just gonna do is go down here where it says download audio track. Remember, it's highlighted, and I'm gonna download this audio track right here. And it's gonna get download, as you can see, right onto my computer. You'll be doing the exact same thing. Again, free copyright. Everything in this video is completely free, guys. Free copyright music, free slideshow maker, and free photo editor, okay? And all you're doing is copying and pasting photos, and you're gonna start making some serious money doing this. So all you're gonna do now to get that music onto your little collage video is you're gonna go back to Klidio.com, and right here where it says audio, you're gonna click on audio, add audio. And then all you gotta do is find it. I have it right here. See you on the other side. I'm gonna hit open. And as you can see, it is uploading that audio track that quickly. It's processing, and there you go. The audio track is now in the Klidio.com editing tool, and now you can add it to your slideshow, and you can trim it, you can do whatever you want. So all I'm gonna do now is hit create, and now the audio file is being added, and now I can download this video and use it for wherever I want for any reason I want. Everything I've used is copyright free. All the tools that I use were copyright free. Everything is free and it's worldwide. So the final step is all you gotta do is upload it to YouTube. Now I'm gonna give you an example of a channel that's doing exactly this. Here's, as a matter of fact, here's a friend's then and now, okay? Now, I'm going to show you on Social Blade. This is the name of this channel. It's called Top Raccoon, and there are many other channels out there. You got Police Academy, Then and Now. You got The Dark Knight. You got Stars. You've got shows like, like Friends. You got movies like E.T., Then and Now. Really, really cool idea. Now, one thing I want you to notice, guys, is this. The last video that they uploaded was a year ago. They haven't even uploaded any more Then and Now videos. And on Social Blade, they are currently making up to $3,300 per month. That's usually higher because my YouTube channel is monetized, and this Social Blade is usually much lower than it actually is. But let's just say $4,000 a month. They're creating a passive income for over $4,000 a month without even uploading a video in over a year. Okay, guys? That's how powerful these videos are. And everything you've done here is free. All the software you used is free. YouTube is free, and all of these things are worldwide, guys. And the actual bonus is that you can use your phone to do all of this. So you're probably thinking, well, wait a minute, how do I get monetized without using original content? Well, you can monetize your channel first, make these videos private, get your channel monetized, and then let the videos upload and where they're public, where everybody can see them, and that's how you start getting monetized. Now, I'm gonna show you a bonus, guys, a way that you can actually monetize these videos without actually being monetized on YouTube yet. So you can take, let's say, your collage of Friends, your little video that you created of Friends. So what you're gonna do is go to Amazon Associates, okay, AmazonAssociates.com, become an affiliate of Amazon, where you can start earning commissions on anything that's sold from Amazon, okay? And then I want you to go to Amazon. Once you fill that in and become an Amazon associate, you're gonna just type in Friends in Amazon merchandise. Look at that, Friends merchandise. So anybody who's loving Friends, the show Friends, you can start promoting these things on your YouTube channel, and anybody who clicks on your link and buys anything you will start making a commission. Look at all the shirts, the sweatshirts and the hoodies, the cups, the t-shirts, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff that has to do with the show Friends. There's even a game. You can put this in there, Central Perk Building Kit, Friends. And that's $60. You get a percentage of every, look, it's got a baseball cap here. You get a percentage of anything that's sold when you become an Amazon affiliate, guys. So it's a great opportunity for anybody to start earning some good money, copying and pasting photographs with all the free softwares that I showed you. So I showed you the software where you can actually upload the pictures by copying and pasting. And then I showed you the software, the free software, where you can actually edit that video and add music to that video as well. You're going to be doing all of this at no charge. It's all free, and you never have to show your face, and you never ever have to even create your own videos. You can get a fully monetized YouTube channel by following these steps. The question is, if you had a choice between doing this all by yourself, or if you had the help of a mentor, somebody who runs 9 different profitable channels right now using these exact methods and a lot of other methods that have not even been revealed in any of these videos, which would you choose? If you're looking to have a mentor take you by the hand, over the shoulder, in-depth, step-by-step training on every niche, every little detail, and every step to create a very profitable YouTube channel by creating videos where you never have to show your face and you don't even actually create the videos or record the videos yourself, then my mentor's Tube Mastery and Monetization course, the link is in the description of this video right now. And believe me, guys, it will change your world and it'll change the way you look at YouTube as well. If you're not ready to dive in just yet and you want some free training, an hour-long free training with 3 secrets that are revealed, the link to the free training is also going to be down in the description of this video. Click on that, reserve your seat, completely free. There's no commitment, and by spending this hour watching this incredible free training, you will learn 3 things that you did not know right now about YouTube and some of the secrets that most people do not share with you in this training. So click on that link right now, guys. Check out the free training on how you can create a hugely successful YouTube channel without recording videos and without ever showing your face. This is the No Face YouTuber. I am excited about you being on this channel, and I will see you on the next video.